Welcome back, everybody. My name is Patrick Schwerdtfeger. I'm the author of Webify Your Business, Internet Marketing Secrets for the Self-Employed. It's my second book. I'm very proud of this book, and we're going to take about 3 or 4 minutes and discuss Chapter 35, Understanding Analytics Data. Now, look, people have, in Chapter 34 is about Google Analytics, and if you're not using Google Analytics, please use it. It's an excellent platform, and it's free. But most people misread their analytics data. So you get people, and this happens to me all the time because people know I'm in this field, and so they're always wanting to tell me, how great their website is or whatever. And some of them are great. Some of those websites are awesome, right? Many of them are way better than mine, by the way. But they'll say stuff like, oh, I get 10,000 visitors a month. And maybe they do. Some get more, right? I mean, I know a guy who's literally getting 7 million page views per month. Page views, that's not visitors. But he's obviously getting a lot of visitors to his site. But this is exactly my point. What is a visitor? Right? A lot of people mistake hits for visitors. Well, let me tell you what a hit really is. Okay, a hit. The reason that saying even came to be is because the server is being hit for information. It's basically a ping to the server for information, which means that anytime you click on anything on your website or mine, that's a hit. So you could visit the website and be on it for 5 minutes and click on 18 things. That's 18 hits. It's only one visitor. Okay, so that's one thing. And by the way, sometimes those websites that have like a navigation panel with a whole bunch of different options, and they have really cool rollover effects. So when you put your mouse over it, like the button changes, and so you play with it, you're like, brrr. That's like 30 hits right there, right? Each time it went over that, it had to ping the server for the rollover image. There's the standard image, there's a rollover image, and they go back and forth. Well, every time you do that, that's another hit. Okay? So this can be, when someone says 10,000 visitors, don't be so sure. They might, but I doubt it in many cases. Another thing is there's spiders, what they call spiders. They're crawlers. They're little computer programs, and they're out on the internet crawling websites and accumulating data. Google and Yahoo and MSN have tens of thousands of crawlers that are out there all the time indexing the web. When your website changes, Google knows that because it has a little program that's going around and indexing the websites. And there's other crawlers that are harvesting email addresses or looking for information of one form or another. Okay, there's tons of this stuff. So does your analytics platform distinguish between spiders and humans? Okay, Google Analytics does a really good job of distinguishing between computer programs and humans. And there's one last one, and that's what's a unique visitor. For my own website, I might go to my website twice a day, and I'm online almost every single day. So that's 60 visits per month, just me, right? Just one person. So all these things are kind of illusions, okay? And I think Google does a very good job of distinguishing between computer programs and humans, and between visitors and unique visitors. You can get a much better visibility if you have a good analytics program. Google Analytics is not the only one. My point of this chapter is to say, understand the data. Understand what those numbers truly mean before you start bragging, or someone else is bragging to you, put it that way. See through some of their little veil of numbers and check it out for yourself, because it's not always as impressive as it sounds. Couple things. You can get this book for free. The website right along here. Go there, and on the right-hand side it says name, email address, and I will email you one chapter every week for a year. So you can get the book for free, or you can buy it. Either way is great for me. Secondly, if you're watching this video on YouTube, there's a subscribe button somewhere, and if you like the video, subscribe, because then you're going to get notified of future videos. And lastly, I would love it if you're on YouTube, there's an area for comments at the bottom. Please leave comments. They're great for me, and they're great for future visitors. Thanks for sticking with me watching the video. We'll see you next time. Bye now.